Also makes my booty look really, you know. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tiana Annette. I'm here to give y'all my review of the SKIMS. I'm not gonna say haul because I was shopping like 2 days after Black Friday. Their Black Friday sale was still going on 2 days after, and I'm just like, okay, let me shop, let me see what I could find. Didn't find too much of nothing because everything was either sold out or they didn't have the color that I really wanted. I'm glad I finally got some pieces just to see if they're really worth it or not. No, this is not SKIMS that I have on. I'm gonna get to that later. So let's jump right into it. I didn't know what it was, but I'm like, oh, okay, it's my SKIMS, but I literally thought it would say something on the outside of the box. These bags are pretty cool. It says I am not plastic. It feels just like plastic though, but it says that it is made from plants, which is really, really dope. So this is the cotton rib 2-piece that I got. Here are the shorts. I love this color. It is in kyanite, or I think that's how you pronounce it. But as you can see, me just holding these up, like the elastic band is real, like not giving. I'm like, I just put them on just to try them. Like, how are they gonna look after I wash them a few times? And it's giving me, they're really soft, don't get me wrong, but I hate to say this, but it's giving me real Fruit of the Loom, like wife beater type. But I love the color. I love how it fits on and stuff, but I just feel like this band is just not going to last. The bottoms were 32 and then the top was 34. And here's the top. I don't think it's gonna last after a couple wears and washes, but I'm gonna enjoy the couple of times I do wear it to bed or whatever. Well, I definitely love the look because you can be at home chilling and still look fashionable for your man. Also makes my booty look really, you know. You can definitely tell the shapewear is doing its job. Like, I have no hips whatsoever, and it's looking like I got a little hippie hip. Okay, sis. Yeah, I like how it's giving lounge, but make it fashion. I really like this set a lot. I feel like the top is like real loose, like definitely after a wash, I feel like this is just going to be like real ugly. And, these. The sculpting mid-waist thong. These might give me what I need to give when I want to wear a dress. But I definitely loved how they shaped me. They sucked in at the waist where it needs to be sucked in at. And I really didn't like how it was kind of rolling down a little bit. Like, maybe I just need to get in the gym, but it was just rolling down a little bit at the top. And I didn't really like that. But I guess once you have on like a dress or a skirt or some shorts or something like that, then it will prevent that from rolling down. But I love, love, love these. When I first got them, I'm like, these for my baby, because these look like his little boxer briefs. And I'm just like, oh, this finna fit in this. But yeah, they're definitely, I love these, and I probably will get, definitely, if you're questioning these, get these. I have some Spanx that are this material, and I just know they're gonna last like for forever. So definitely shop. This is the Velour bike short set. The bottoms were $25. The top was $25.99 too. The jacket was $40. The bike short set is in the color copper. Hey, I definitely love how soft it is. This is how it fits on my body. I definitely love how it has my booty looking. So this is it with the shape underwear on. Here's the shapewear. It comes all the way up on the stomach. It definitely makes me feel snatched. Yeah, I think it definitely does the job. I don't know. I definitely think I could have sized down. I'm 5'4", 145 pounds. Yeah, I didn't want it to be super tight. So that's why I'm like, okay, let me get mediums. I want it to be comfy. I want it to be loungy. The jacket for me just wasn't it. I'm definitely not wearing this jacket with him. It even looks worse zipped up. So this jacket, I should have definitely got a small or extra small in it because it's just super duper big. I'm just like, okay, how is this to medium? This fits like a 2X. If you're my size, definitely go for a small or even something smaller if you want a fitted look, because that jacket ain't it. And then they're talking about, oh, we don't do refunds. It was a Black Friday sale. Your girl can't even get an exchange? But at least I can get an exchange. If not, it's just going to be sitting in my closet. Okay, so now I have on this 2-piece velour set from H&M. I love it. Was $17.99 for the jacket and the bottom. I can't tell the difference in the two. They're both super duper soft. I honestly sat here and I'm trying to rub and like feel the difference and stuff, like. And again, let me zoom in on the textures of both of these. Let's see if I can get it up close. Here's the H&M one, and then here's the SKIMS texture. Honestly, can't tell the difference. Compare it to the H&M one. Personally, and the fact that I can just go in the store and get it, I'll probably get more of the H&M ones just because I really don't see the difference. And then this set together was like $40, $36. It's a little big. Yeah, I could have got the small, but I just love like the vibe it's giving. It's giving like fashionable, but I'm lounging. So let's get into the sleep brief. Love this. Like, I love it. I just love everything about this set. This was $20 and the bottoms were $15.99, and I love this. Like, love it. I don't have anything bad to say about this sleep set. First, I got a medium in the top. My boobs actually look fine and I was scared. I'm like, should I get a large? I'm glad I got the medium. Definitely get this set. This set is so comfortable. If it wasn't for this band, like, it just doesn't feel like nothing's on. It's giving me real t-shirt, real comfortable night. No complaints about the bra and the bottoms. I love it. The sleep bra and the sleep underwear are in the color copper. I'm probably about to get on there and order every color. Like, this is so comfortable. Probably like the most comfortable like undergarments I've ever worn before. I stand for this. Like, I'm definitely going to be purchasing more. Here are the matching shorts. They're big as hell. These though, on the other hand, were medium. Again, I'm not going to be able to return these. Hopefully I'll be able to exchange, because baby, where am I going getting these parachute? Like, no. This just, it's not giving what it needs to give. This is giving real, I don't know, it's giving I ain't finna wear them. So hopefully I'm able to get a smaller size on those. I definitely love the SKIMS when it comes to like the undergarments. There's definitely a lot of pieces that I again wasn't able to grab because like I was shopping 2 days after Black Friday. Like, so yeah, again, I really don't see too much of a difference between the H&M and the SKIMS. That's my honest opinion. So I'm going to probably get more of the velour sets with H&M because it's the same quality. I literally cannot spot a difference. So definitely, I hope that was some help to the girls out there that are in between on buying SKIMS or seeing these other brands that may look like SKIMS, or helps you decide on your sizing, because clearly I don't know my size. Yeah, so I hope that I helped you purchase the right size. And then definitely check to see if it says final sale or final markdown, because clearly I wasn't paying attention. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Comment for what other videos you may want to see from me. I'm definitely new to YouTube, and I'm so eager and so excited to really get myself out there. I will do a lot of lookbooks. I'm doing one for my birthday. I got a lot of questions about the looks that I have for my birthday, so I'm definitely going to do a video on those specifically. And then I'm gonna do some makeup tutorials, some beginner friendly makeup. I'm no MUA, don't get me wrong. Definitely, I get a lot of questions on how I do my makeup, my everyday routine, my going out routine. So I definitely want to make some videos on that as well. I'm still deciding if I want to like post like my personal life. Like, I have a son and stuff, so We may do a couple little cooking videos just to give y'all a little kiki and stuff. That wraps up my first YouTube video and my Skims review. So if you like this video and subscribe. I'm planning on posting a video every week, so definitely subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video.